started?
I've started.
So this is the legal park system. We are basically solving all the parking space in Kampala. The case study is the Kampala City Street along Kampala Road. So if this is our taxi car, maybe the first car, if it's a family, please, he will have to look at the LCD to see how many parking slots are free. Okay? So right now all the parking lots are free. That's why it's lighting green. So instead of the guy going to look for parking space on the street, just looks at this LCD. So as you can see, all the free slots, they all have 4 free slots. So this guy can basically just come right along and go to parking slot 1. So when he reaches parking slot 1, the ultrasonic sensor basically goes off because this thing uses sound waves anyway. So if you have another car, maybe to a bus, you know, they call them kind of stuff. So of course this scale will read and understand there are some other free slots. So basically the slots will reduce from 4 to 3, okay? So this scale will come and back here. So let's say it's type of 4. 4 cars. So as you can see now, all the lights have turned off. So meaning anytime if there was a fifth car coming, it would actually see that all the parking slots are full. So that's why there's a light in red. Okay. So that shows that all spots are full. Yeah, all spots are full. So we use some technology here for transmission between the transmitter and the receiver. It's called RF technology. Basically uses frequency, using the frequency of 433 megahertz. Okay? So basically this transmitter has a coil, and also the receiver has a coil. You can boost the transmission rate of the coil. There's actually a coil in the transmitter. You can put a copper wire and wound it. So when you want to be integrated with magnetic field, okay? When the magnetic field increases, it means you can actually boost the distance between the transmitter and the receiver. So this is the effect. We use the original wound wire form there. Okay. There are other things you need to know about the sensors, of course, that use the sound waves. We use the sonic sensor, we use the phosphones. They transmit, they use sound waves. So basically when sounds are transmitted from the sonic and they hit an obstacle, which is the kind of case, we use the distance of 5 inches. So this car can go up to 5 inches. So when the sound waves hit an obstacle, they come back. They're detected by this ultrasonic sensor and they are transmitted. So this transmitter, all the information being received at the receiver end, so the transmitter side, all the information that is going from the receiver end is now transmitted back to the desktop application. So you can go to the desktop application.
Come on, it's not a desktop application.
So
I come.
yeah.
Come to the desktop application.
So as you can see, our main window can display the slots available and those which are free. Those are occupied. So those in red are occupied, as you can see, 4 of them are all red. But if you take away, let's say, slot 1 and 2, they would have to turn to green. Yeah, so now slot 1 and 2 have changed. This is used by the multiplex IT technicians who can view and monitor the system of